Do it again, Luca. Go up to him. Go up to him and do it in his face. Go ahead. I gotta poop. Speaking of, I gotta poop myself. My stomach hurts so bad. I gotta poop, seriously.
Come here, Luca. Make your fart noise. Make your poo-poo noise. Do it again.